muthemba wa sahiwal riu nirikoretwo rikionekana kugia na umithio. Muthemba uyu wa ngombe kurerekana ati uri na uhoti wa kuruta lita 10 nginyagia lita 15 na wambiririe miaka 5 mihituku. Oomuthenya ni mataririe ati kana kurigana na urugamiririwo munene wa mihang'o ino Samuel Bogo ni ugite ati undu uyu wakinyirana ni uguteithiriria na njira nene gutigirira ati no wahura njuki sekta ya urimi, makiuga ati kuhuthira njira cia kiriu kana technology ni umwe wa maundu maria mateithiririe undu uyu gukorwo ugikinyanira na njira ithiranite.
Kuja mnasimama.
The main objective has been to increase productivity of the sahiwal cattle among the smallholder farmers in my community, and specifically focusing on milk production in this particular part of Narok County. That was the main objective of this project.
We came to hand over to the community a research project by Kaldro, more specifically our researcher here, Dr. Mbuku, the sahiwal breed of cattle, which are high yielding in terms of meat and milk.
Hii mambo ya sahiwal tumepitia mambo mengi na tumefaidika nayo. Wako na challenges mingi. Tumejifunia kupata dume kutoka Naivasha, tumekuja kupata dume kutoka AI. Kumbe mambo ya AI ni kitu ya maana.
Unfortunately, the cows produce a lot of milk, but there are two major problems we have seen as National Research Fund. Two major ones: lack of adequate water, which is an impediment to the persons living here and the livestock therefore. Number two, lack of a cooler. Coolers in this country here have gone some other places, but this place is urgently in need of coolers for the milk that is produced.
Haya. Na kaunti ya Ebuni ati atongoria kuma na kaunti ino ya Ebuni marikiti